Sometimes you just need to edit some PDFs and it could be hassle. See, this here is a semi-complex PDF file. Well, if you already have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, you could just try opening the PDF file with it. It will take some time to process the file depending on your PC's computing power and complexity and length of the original document, but you will most likely get an editable PDF file converted to a doc file. This is sometimes useful, especially when you cannot select text as groups in the PDF file. Taking lots of time even though this PC has a 12-core processor. Finally, here we are. Does not exactly look like the original, of course, if we are to compare them side by side. Fonts and styles do not seem to match, so it could get on your nerves. But at the end of the day, you have a perfectly editable, similar doc file.